Specific ventilation imaging, or SVI, is a quantitative lung imaging technique that will help us further our fundamental understanding of physiology and the management of respiratory diseases.
SVI is radiation-free and requires only commonly available equipment, an MRI scanner and medical oxygen. This makes it safe for children and ideal for repeat studies in adults. The translation of SVI to clinical practice may improve the management of asthma because it will allow us to identify areas that are most affected by the disease.
The ability to map changes within the lung in response to therapy may help optimize inhaled therapy and inform individualized therapeutic choices. Helping demonstrate this procedure is Vincent Tedisaputra, a postdoctoral fellow in the Department of Medicine.
Before beginning the procedure, obtain written, informed consent from the subject and describe the potential risks presented by the exposure to rapidly changing magnetic fields and the potential discomforts of using a facial mask and breathing dry gas. Confirm that the subject can safely undergo magnetic resonance scanning, utilizing the locally approved magnetic resonance imaging or MRI safety screening questionnaire. Train the subject to breathe in time with the MR scan sequence and measure the subject's nose to chin dimensions to determine the size of the face mask that will best fit the subject. Then, verify that the subject's pockets and clothing are free from magnetic-based credit cards and iron-containing metal pieces. To prepare the MR scanner, connect a torso coil to the appropriate connector in the scanner table to configure the scanner for use, and place sheets, pads, and pillows on the scanner table.